my channel is Miss Tay Rosé. I know it's been a minute since I made my previous makeup look, and then I had a YouTube shorts a little after that. It's been a while since those two videos were released, but I am back and I'm ready to get to cranking with some makeup looks and some product reviews. I mean, I feel like a lot of you love that. So now, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is my take on a clean girl makeup look, or in other words, no makeup look, also known as a quick on the go makeup look. All right. So if you want to see the steps that I take to get to the final product, along with the products that I use and the hacks that will keep you flawless all day, every day, then be sure to keep watching. I'm at you with a bare face. I'm gonna get started. So the first product that I will be using is the Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. And this is in brightening because I do like to keep my face bright. Another alternative that I have been using lately, because summer is coming through, spring is coming through, UV rays are out, is the number 7 day cream, and that I got from Influenster, and there it has sunscreen in there also. So that's what I will use when it's more warm out, but for the sake of it being winter, I usually use the Physicians Formula. So now as for a primer, it depends on the weather. Like I said before, I'm in a place where the weather is up and down. If my face is feeling pretty dry, then I will use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. But if my face is feeling pretty moisturized after me applying my serum, then I'll use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And so one way that I know is by me, I don't touch my face because the product is already on there, and of course my face is gonna feel smooth. So I take the back of my hand and I feel it. So it seems like my face is feeling pretty smooth right now. So I'm going to use the Poreless Putty Primer for today. And then lately I've just been taking small scoops and just applying it onto one side at a time, and then I blend going upward. When I'm on the go, especially for work and if I'm running errands, I will just go in with a brow pencil, so I won't use pomade. And the product that I've been using is the e.l.f. Precision Brow Pencil. That has helped me a lot, and so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do my brows off camera, and then I'll be back at you with other steps. My brows are all set and decked. What I do is, before I put on foundation or anything, I'm going to spray only where my mask is. I don't spray my entire face. I only spray right where my mask is. So next up, I go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Cinnamon. This is my ultimate favorite by far. I start underneath my eyes, I press it in, and then I go outward, and then I go up. So I mean, look at the difference. This is the side with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and then this is the side without the foundation. This is what I've been doing lately because I find that it covers my dark circles up to the best of its ability. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side really quick. Now onto the concealer. So I'm going to go in with 3 concealers, and it depends on the day. So I'm going to first delve into the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer, and this is in shade 045 or Honey. Now this one I got from Influencer, but because of how good it was, I decided to buy another one, which is still in my makeup collection, just in case this one is finished. I'm just applying the concealer on the inner part, and then I'm making like a number 7 with it. It's kind of jagged, but you get the gist. At first, I disliked the foundation because of how light it was, but then the bright eye trend is taking storm right now, and I've tried it and I liked it. So I'm gonna keep up with it. So this is the amount I apply. I just squeeze it I use each side, and then I put it away. I don't like to glob on too much. And then I take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel. Again, it's perfect because I have dark ends right here, and so I take the concealer and I dab it like that. Dab it like that. Dab like that. So now I'm going to take my e.l.f. foundation brush. This is what I mainly use in the morning. And then I'm going to blend it. So now the next step is I go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade Golden, or if you're into numbers, it is 142. And so I usually dot some underneath there, just making diagonal lines, and then I go above my eyelid. So now this step is optional, but I did try it one day going to work and it looked really good. So this I had got free from Influenster as part of the campaign. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whipped Cream Blush, and this is in the shade Cheeky Pink. At first I didn't like the color, but then it is pretty intense. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator because to me this is the best applicator for putty blushes in general, or cream blushes, you may say. So this side is the Cheeky Pink side by Beauty Blender, and then I discovered a dupe that I have in my makeup collection, and it's the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Tahiti, and it is very affordable. It's more of an affordable dupe compared to the Beauty Blender. But Tahiti, I mean, this was only one layer, and then this was the one layer with Cheeky Pink. So with Tahiti, I have to keep on going in with multiple layers, which is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to move on. Cheeky Pink, Tahiti. You can't really tell the difference. The only thing is that you just have to apply more layers so it can match up with the same quality or the same shade matchup with Cheeky Pink. Now my face is set and decked, and I want to set everything. I'm currently using the Beauty Bakery Organic Beauty Blending Sponge. I mean, I find that it is amazing and it works well with this next step that is about to take place. Now this one I saw Savannah Silver do this and I thought that it was amazing. So, except I put my own spin on it. I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm going to spray one side. And then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder in Honey. Translucent Honey. And then lately what I've been doing is I've been going underneath my eyes first. But with the damp side of the Beauty Blender, I dip it and then I set. My eyes tend to crease up and you can see the creasing. So I go in with my foundation brush by e.l.f. I blend that out. Then I'll take some more Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'll damp it over my eyes. So now moving on to the rest of my face, I'm going to use another favorite of mine, and this is the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation, and I got this in the shade Medium 330W. This has been everything since I've discovered this product. This I'll definitely keep on buying, and as you can tell, I got a newer version. Look at her. I'm going to take, according to Savannah, the butt of the Beauty Blending Sponge, and I'm going to put it in there. But before that, I'm taking some more Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray. Spray, spray, spray. And then I'm going to place it in there. And then I'll even go above my eye because this pretty much is a no makeup look, to say the least. So normally when I go to work, I do not wear lashes. I haven't been wearing lashes lately. So I've been wearing mascara. So if you would like to see that version of the clean girl makeup look or the on-the-go makeup look, do let me know in the comments below. But for the sake of this video and me wanting to put my own spin on it, when I do wear lashes, I'm going to show you the lashes that I normally would wear. So I would normally wear the Evan New York Sexy Cat Cat2 3D Lash in the shade Leo. As you can see, I only have 2 pairs left. I mean, it's really good. It's very natural. It's not too much. But then I also bought these lashes as well, and I want to try them out. This I saw on Amazon. I was like, okay, I have to have this. This is the Kiss So Wispy curated collection, and has 5 of the best sellers on there. Yes, 5 of the best sellers. We have Ritzy, Pompadour, 11, 9, and 1. I want to try Ritzy for this look and then show you how it is. So now for the rest of my face, I'm going to contour, and you know, I'm going to be using the Black Radiant Pressed Powder, and this is in the shade Cafe, or if you're into numbers, it's 8614. And you know, I'm going to contour around my cheekbones, my nose, and then around my face. So now, in order for me to blend up my contour, I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation in the shade 330, 330W. And I'm going to take the same beauty blending sponge. This time I'm not going to rub it in. I'm just going to dab it in there a few times. And then I lightly blend it out. I usually do circular motions to work my way up. And you can see the difference where it's like blended in and not blended in. And then I take this, I go in with my nose as well, as you can see. So now I'm going to set my face, and this has been my true favorite. Yes, I like Charlotte Tilbury, and it does keep my makeup on for the most part. But I mean, this, to me, is a game changer. This is the Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. Since I've been using it, I've noticed that my face hasn't been as oily as it used to, and as soon as you spray it, it matches or it morphs your face, like the product that you use in your face, into your exact skin tone. So this is a true definition of a fixing spray. So now once I finish doing that, I'm going to highlight, and this has been also a new game changer. I'm going to go with the Laura Mercier Face Illuminator or Highlighter, and this is in the shade Indiscretion. This has been my highlighter, my go-to highlighter since I've been working. I'm going to take the clean side of the beauty blending sponge that I've been using and just rub it in there. Look at that goodness. I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones. Look at that. Any remainder that I have on here, I usually will put it on my nose, and look at that. Snatched! Another step that I do is I bling out my tear ducts, and I go in with a really small eyeshadow brush. This is another optional step. If you want to, you can leave your face as is, but if you really want to add some blush, you want to add a blush that matches with the Putty Blush underneath. And so I know this is discontinued, but I mean, I'm going to go in with the Pure x Barbie Malibu Blush Signature 6-piece Blush Palette. My goodness, that was a tongue twister. And I'm going to go in with the shade California Dreams. Because I have a blush underneath it, I'm not going to apply too much. So I'm going to do 4 dabs. And then I'm going to add a little glow in there. Alright, and so now for the mascara, because I like to keep my lashes on lock, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is a true dupe to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And so I apply that onto my top lash line, and then I clamp everything in together with the lash tweezer. And then I normally go in with the Lash Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal as well, but I'm going to stick with the Lash Paradise for today. So now for the final step of this clean girl on the go makeup look, we're going to touch your lips. So now, this is my usual go-to when I do feel to wear liquid lipstick and a lip liner combination. I go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil, and this is in the shade Brown. For the liquid lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Less Toast, or if you like numbers, it's 5403. Alright, so now this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do comment more makeup looks that you would like to see and even product reviews that you would like me to do. Do not forget to click on this notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. And that is that for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.